Jen, how can you go 7 years without?
I don't know, but I'm on my way there.
How many years are you into it?
Don't ask.
9 months? No,
9 months.
a year and a half.
1 year.
Oh, Jen, have you done that since? 9 months pregnant, 9 months old. That would be a year and a half.
No.
Am I bad with math?
We broke up when I was 6 months pregnant.
Oh shit, what am I saying? So a year and 3 months.
He's 9 months.
So a year and 3 months.
No. We broke up in August. So I got
September, October,
pregnant
November.
in February.
February, March, what? August. Oh, a year.
A year. Thanks for getting that on camera. That's awesome.
So Jen, tell your audience to use other forms of sex to replace the real thing. Or are you truly on to your 7 years of replacement? You truly are on to your... Oh my God, why am I asking my niece that?
Because you've had 7 or 8 drinks. Hey look, there's your cherry.
I have a cherry. I have a cherry. Woohoo!
Take 7 years to find it.
Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! My
Somebody else
cherry.
is just gonna find it for you.